Most people reach their 30s and realize nobody actually taught them how to manage money. School didn't cover it. Your parents probably winged it too. And by the time you're earning a decent salary, you've already made a handful of expensive mistakes. The good news? A few simple habits, started today, can completely change your financial trajectory. Here are 7 money habits every adult should have locked in by 35. Number 1. Pay yourself first. Most people spend first and save whatever's left. The problem is, whatever's left is usually nothing. High earners flip this. They automate a fixed amount into savings the moment their salary hits, before they touch a single dollar for expenses. Start with 10% of your take-home pay. Set up an automatic transfer on payday. You won't miss what you never see. Number 2. Know your actual numbers. Surprising how many adults have no idea what they spend each month. Not roughly, actually. If you can't name your monthly expenses within $200, you don't have a budget, you have a guess. Spend 20 minutes this weekend listing every recurring expense: subscriptions, insurance, utilities, food, transport. Most people find $200 to $400 in forgotten or unnecessary charges on the first try. Number 3. Build a 3-month emergency fund before investing. Investing while having no cash buffer is like building a house on sand. One unexpected expense, a medical bill, a job loss, a car repair, and you're forced to liquidate investments at the worst time. 3 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account is the foundation everything else is built on. Not in stocks, not in crypto. Cash, accessible within 24 hours. Number 4. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Robert Kiyosaki put it plainly. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Your car is a liability. Your mortgage may be too, depending on how you look at it. An index fund, a rental property, a business. Those are assets. The habit isn't to avoid all liabilities. It's to consciously buy more assets than liabilities every single year. Track the ratio. It tells you exactly which direction your financial life is heading. Number 5. Invest consistently, not perfectly. Most people wait for the right time to invest. There is no right time. Time in the market consistently beats timing the market. Study after study confirms this. Set up a monthly investment into a broad index fund, something like the S&P 500 or a global ETF, and don't touch it. $300 a month invested consistently from age 30 becomes over $500,000 by retirement, assuming average market returns. The habit is consistency, not cleverness. Number 6. Treat your credit score like a professional reputation. Your credit score affects your mortgage rate, your rental applications, sometimes even your job prospects. A difference of 50 points on your credit score can cost or save you tens of thousands over a home loan. The basics. Pay every bill on time. Keep credit utilization under 30%. Don't apply for multiple credit products in a short period. Set a calendar reminder to check your credit report once a year. Most people never do. Number 7. Invest in your income, not just your portfolio. Your biggest financial asset in your 30s isn't your savings account, it's your earning potential. A $10,000 course that gets you a promotion worth $20,000 more per year is the highest returning investment you'll ever make. High earners consistently spend on skills, certifications, networks, and tools that increase what the market will pay them. Don't be so focused on cutting expenses that you neglect growing the top line. These 7 habits won't make you rich overnight, but applied consistently over 5 to 10 years, they compound into a financial life most people only wish they'd started sooner. If you found this useful, subscribe to Live Smarter Daily. We cover money, health, productivity, and home. Everything working adults actually need to know, but nobody teaches you. See you in the next one.